Hello friends, I'm going to tell you certain important things about the Delhi University admission, and you please note that 26th July, Monday to Thursday 21st August, these are the dates when registration process for PG, MPhil and PhD will be there. After that, undergraduate registration is from 2nd August 2021 to 31st August 2021. For PG programs, the website is pgadmission.oud.ac.in. For MPhil and PhD, PhD admission, PhDadmission.uod.ac.in. The dates for the DUET, that is Delhi University Entrance Test, is declared, and these dates are 26, 27, 28, 29, 30th September and 1st of October. The start date for the registration and payment of the registration fee is from 26th July to end is 21st August. Declaration of admission list, admission and deposition of admission fee, this notice will be announced later on. There is a scheduled MPhil PhD admission, and that is registration and payment of application fees July 26, 2021 to August 21, 2021. And the Delhi University entrance test date, declaration of entrance test result, grievance, interview, presentation, synopsis, and all these will be announced very soon. And if you go to the Delhi University website, you will find special instructions related to undergraduate admission, then postgraduate admission, MPhil PhD admission, and there are other certificate diploma admission, and there are number of announcements which are being done, and even specially you will find that there are webinars conducted on this admission process also. So if you go to undergraduate courses, and for the admission you will find Bachelor of Arts honors is there, in which you will find Italian history, Hindi Patrakarita, Hindi, German, geography, applied psychology, Arabic, Bengali, economics, French, geography, etc. Then Bachelor of Arts program is BA program is there. Then Bachelor of Commerce, that is BCom honors is there, and Bachelor of Science. In this you will find BSc honors, anthropology, biochemistry, bioscience, biological science, biomedical science, botany, chemistry, computer science, electronics, environmental science, and food technology. Bachelor of Science program, BSc program is also there, in which you will find human science, applied life science, physical science with chemistry, and physical science with computer science. Then a vocational study, this is a very good course for the vocational and for the professional degree, that is BA Vocational Studies is Human Resource Management, BA Vocational Studies Management and Marketing of Insurance, BA Vocational Studies Marketing Management and Retail Business, and BA Vocational Studies Material Management. Then BA Vocational program is also there. In this you will find BA Vocational Banking Operation, BA Vocational Software Development, BA Vocational Printing Technology, BA Vocational Healthcare and Management, BA Vocational Retail Management and IT, and BA Vocational Web Designing. Web Designing is very emerging and a very good course if you think, because mostly every person who are there, they are venturing into business or they are opening their own institutions, they all try to make their website. So this web designing is very good course. Then Bachelor of Arts is there, and these are the Group B undergraduate programs in which admission is entrance based. So the entrance based admissions will be BA Honors, in which Humanities and Social Sciences there, BA Honors Multimedia and Mass Communication, BA Honors in Hindustani Music, Vocal / Instrumental, Sitar, Sarod, Guitar, Violin and Santoor. Then BA Honors in Karnataka Music, Vocal, Instrumental, Veena and Violin. BA Honors in Hindustani Music, that is percussion and tabla, Pakhwa. And Bachelor of Education is in Bachelor of Elementary Education, that is B.Ed, and Bachelor of Management, Business Economics and Business Administration, in which you will find Bachelor of Management Studies, BMS is there, Bachelor of Honors Business Economics is there, Bachelor of Business Administration in Financial Investment Analysis, that is BBA FIA, and Bachelor of Science, that is BSc in Physical Education, Health Education, Bachelor of Science in Physical Education, Health Education and Sports, that is BSc BPEd and HE, Bachelor of Technology, that is BTech, BTech Information Technology and Mathematical Innovations, IT, and MI, a 5-year integrated program for the journalism, that is 5-year integrated courses journalism is there. So these are the entrance based courses you will find, and some of the courses which I spoke earlier, they are the merit based. In undergraduate program detail, if you go, then you will find the detail about all the different courses are there. Arts and Humanities, you will find the course wise seat, BA honors program. In honors program you will find the college has given course wise BA honors Punjabi. So you will find that if you want to do BA honors Punjabi, then the college has given a seat distribution, that is the link. I will share these links to in my description, so please visit that. And in which you will find that Dayal Singh College is having total 58 seats in BA Honors Punjabi, and then Mata Sundari 23, Guru Gobind Singh College Commerce 23. In this way you will find the seat allocation is there, that is BA Honors Punjabi, BA Honors Arabic, BA Honors Applied Psychology, BA Honors Hindi Patrikarita. Hindi Patrikarita is also an emerging and a very market oriented course, in which Aditi Mahavidyalaya, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Ramlal Anand College and Shri Guru Nanak Dev Khalsa College. Then BA Honors Hindi colleges are there, and seat distribution is also given, and along with you will find even the annual fee also there. For example, for Punjabi, I'm talking, this is lump sum, so this annual fee will be 13,000, and 13,000 to 20,000 it is mentioned. For Arabic you will find 8,680. For BA Applied Psychology you will find 12,895 to 13,400. BA Honors Hindi Patrikarita you will find 7,310 to 39,025 rupees. Then BA Honors Hindi is also there. So you will find here that the colleges has given seat allocation even, and the fee structure also, and the distribution according to the this is UR category, OBC, SC, ST, EW, this is also given. Then BA Honors Geography, Philosophy, then English, BA Honors English, and BA Sociology, Journalism. In journalism also you will find Bharati College, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, Institute of Home Economics, Kalindi College, Kamla Nehru College, Lady Shri Ram College, Maharaja Agrasen College. So the amount for this BA journalism is 10,000 to 15,000. In Bharati College it is 10,465 to, in Maharaja Agrasen it is 15,000. So BA Honors German 3,406 rupees. Then BA Honors Italian, BA Honors History is also there, and the fee structure is also given here. So in this you will find that according to subject wise and college wise, the seat allocation is also there. BA Spanish, it will cost around 3,000 rupees, and BA Honors Economics, because this is what the information I'm reading is given on the website, so I'm simply reading out that. If there is any changes, I think the university will notify it again. And if we move ahead, then you will find that all the other subjects are also there: commerce, education, science, BSc Science, BTech, vocational program, and the eligibility criteria. So if you go to the website, according to subject wise, you will find there eligibility criteria is also there. And then there are MPhil PhD admission is also there. in this MPhil PhD admission, again you will find according to the subject, like MPhil PhD program detail, how to apply, eligibility, requirement of research proposal, major area of research, everything is there. So if you get into every single this indication, you will find complete detail there. And for this eligibility criteria, you will find how you can qualify the exam, then what are the equivalent criteria for the, because once you have to appear for the entrance exam, and then there are certain criteria according to the department, and then program specific eligibility. So for program specific eligibility, check MPhil PhD bulletin of information and website of specific department, because every department they issue a specific bulletin also. Then there are requirement of research proposal, because for MPhil PhD, after qualifying entrance exam, you have to submit a research proposal, and for that also the instructions are also given. And what are the major research area for MPhil PhD program, that also you will find according to every subject. That there is a one separate column in which you will find that university is time to time releasing the press release, and in this press release, what are the different changes or anything related to admission, that we can find here. And then if there are any announcements related to the notice of admission, that also you will find there. Then there are separate webinar which are being outline of reservation policies, outline of registration process on 28th July 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. It is a live stream, and the theme is outline of registration process. So this webinar you can join. That was 28th July, that is already gone, and on 27th July, overview of admission. So I think these will be there on the YouTube channel of Delhi University. There you can find out. And then important informations are there. Admission help desk also there. So if you want to get admission help desk, then for any general queries related to admission, the candidate may post the query at chatbot Monday to Saturday 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and that is for PG, that is pg@admission.du.ac.in. For MPhil PhD, phd@admission.du.ac.in. and then admission branch University of Delhi, phone number is 01127667092. So these are the admission chatbots where you can put your queries there. And then for a call candidates, and for the PWD candidates, these are the specific admission assistance is being offered here. And for NTA helpline of queries related to DUET, the contact number is 01140759000. I repeat, for NTA helpline for queries related to DUET 2021, that is 01140759000. And then email also you can do email for this DUET NTA helpline at duet@nta.ac.in. And then there are contact that help desk official of the respective department. Details available on the respective department website. For the foreign students, the university has a designated foreign student advisor office to handle all inquiries regarding rules and responsibilities for admitting foreign students. The foreign national candidates may approach foreign students registry office, room number 03, conference center, near gate number 4, North Campus, University of Delhi, and the phone number is 01127666756. And there is an email given, that is fsr@du.ac.in. For the foreign student, the email is fsr@du.ac.in, and the contact number is 01127666757. And in the near gate number 4, North Campus, University of Delhi, you will find room number 3, conference center, in which the foreign students registry office is there. For the payment related grievance, if there is any grievance related to payment, then the Contact numbers are given, that is 9311 374188 and 96540 67616. I repeat, for the payment related grievance, you can call 9311 374188 and another number is 96540 67616. And there is a email also for the payment related grievance, and that is dupaymentquery@icicbank.com. So I repeat, dupaymentquery dupaymentquery@icicbank.com. And always be ready with the with hand share the following detail while raising any payment related query. That is what you have to do: full name of the student, registration number, mobile number, registered with University of Delhi, date of payment and amount paid. So if there is any problem related to payment of this query, and then there are other important informations in which you will find that cancellation policy. So it is a very important information for the student, and I read it. It's very significant. As per UGC guideline on examination and academic calendar July 2021, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, in view of financial hardship being faced by parents due to lockdown and related factors, a full refund of fee should be made on account of all cancellation of admission / migration of students up to October 31st, 2021 for the academic session 2021-2022 as per special case. It is made clear that the entire fee including all charges should be refunded. That is, there should be zero cancellation charges on account of cancellation / migration up to October 31st, 2021. Thereafter, on cancellation withdrawal of admission up to December 31st, the entire fee collected from the student should be refunded in full after deducting not more than 1000 rupees as processing fee. So this information is, if you are cancelling your admission and if you are migrating somewhere, then before till October 31st, entire fee of the student will be given to refunded from the University of Delhi to student. And after October, if the student is delaying up to 31st December, so when any student who want to get refund or we want to cancel or migrate after 31st December, the deduction of 1000 rupees will be made, and apart from rest of the amount will be paid to the student. This is what the this notice says about. So hostel facilities are also there. For the hostel, eligibility criteria and how you have to apply, everything is there. So I'll try to give all the details related to this. I'll drop the this website informations in the description, so you please see that. And what are the documents which are required? All these required documents are, she need to upload the following documents: her passport size photo, maximum size is 50 KB and format is JPG/JPEG/PNG. Her scanned signature, maximum size is 50 KB, format is JPG/JPEG/PNG. Her financial final statement of mark sheet of the qualifying examination. The candidate also need to furnish detail of his or her identity proof with photograph and is required to upload the scanned copy of the same. This can be any one of the following document: Aadhaar card with photograph, voter identity card / PAN card, passport or driving license. The uploaded files can be checked and if required can be replaced before submission.